Welcome to our review of the ProForm 305 CST folding treadmill. If you're on a tight budget, the ProForm 305 CST is a cost-effective option that doesn't skimp on essential features. Make sure to check out YouTube's recommended products on the screen or down in the description, as they are related to this video and may provide you with extra help with what's been discussed so far. They are usually quite cheap and are unique to this video, so it might be worth checking out. Anyway, back to the tutorial. This treadmill boasts a strong motor for excellent performance and offers various workout programs. Its folding design is perfect for saving space in small apartments, and it's compatible with the iFit app. Key highlights include heart rate monitoring, a durable belt, and adjustable speed and incline levels. However, it may not be the best choice for experienced athletes due to its maximum weight capacity and limited advanced features. The ProForm 305 CST features a straightforward design with an easy-to-use control panel and console. It includes a health analysis system to track heart rate, running speed, calories burned, and distance covered, ensuring a productive workout session. The treadmill has a touch-screen interface, adding to its modern appeal. Its active cushioning system helps absorb impact on the knees, allowing for longer, pain-free runs. Assembly is straightforward with the provided manual. Overall, its iFit integration, cushioning system, impressive warranty, and affordability make it an ideal treadmill, especially for beginners looking for low-impact exercises. Alternatives include the ProForm Pro 1000 and ProForm 505 CST. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let us know which other treadmill you'd like us to review next.